Here we have a 67 plate BMW 320d M Sport Shadow Edition. Now with this vehicle you do get the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition as you can see just there. We've also got the M Sports brakes just behind, finished in blue. Coming round to the front, the vehicle itself is finished in a black sapphire metallic exterior paintwork, which really does look fantastic. There's a look from that front angle. Really mean looking cars from the front here. We've got a black kidney grills. You may have also noticed we've got a full M Performance styling kit on this vehicle. Coming round, we've then got our second 19-inch alloy wheel, colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, shark fin antenna on top. There's a closer look at that third alloy wheel. As we make our way to the rear, we've got this spoiler. Really sets the back end off nicely. Really aggressive looking again. Coming to the rear, we do have reversing parking sensors, as well as the dual exit exhaust on the left-hand side. 320D badging as well. And as you can see, the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now there's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. And let's go on to the interior. Now inside we do have the full black Dakota leather interior. And how fantastic does that look? ISO fixed points within the seats. We've got the fold down armrest in the centre, 12-volt connectivity in the middle. We've then on the doors got our gloss black trim with electric window controls, integrated speakers and brushed metal handle. Coming into the front, we've got that same full Dakota black leather interior. And again, how fantastic do those seats look. On the doors, you'll notice we have got the premium Harman Kardon sound system in this vehicle, if that'll go into focus. Doesn't want to focus, but that is the Harman Kardon variant. There we go. I'll just press on that now. There we go. As you can see, Harman Kardon just there. Electric window controls with electric wing mirrors. We've also got a brushed metal handle. Now inside, we've got some great features. We've got cruise control, speed limiter. We've got the navigation system. We've also got Bluetooth connectivity, start-stop technology, and many more features as well. Now we are waiting for this vehicle to have its full valet, and as soon as it does, we will be filming a more in-depth video showcasing all of its features. But until then, if you would like to see the full specification and everything this vehicle includes, have a look down in the description below. But until then, that's all from me, so thank you for watching.